Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be cooking oyster mushrooms. Not oysters, mushrooms. Okay, so I already got the oil in there. It's not started, but I'll get it started. And I'm gonna show you what they look like. You clean them very good and make sure, like just look it up and make sure they're not like poisonous. I mean, I already looked up. They should look like this. Like, make sure those gills are very soft. See, look. They should look very, very clean. I dried mine off, but now let's go get first the flour. You always need flour when it comes to frying. I mean, not always, but you can if you want. That's what I do. Now, I mean, you don't have to, but I'm going to use this little cup right here. Okay. Oh, crap. That did not work out nicely as I wanted it to be. Hold up. Bro, this does not hold. There we go. And, like, hold up. Do a little more. I mean, I just dumped the thing in there. I just do it with that. I just do it nonchalant. Okay. Okay. You have that. I mean, one day I'm going to try to put fish fry, but I don't think that'll turn out nicely. Hold up. Get some salt. Wait. Yeah. This is not turning out well. Oh my god. But you can put the lid on there. Mix it all up. Ow. Oh no! Oh crap. Jesus. I'm so sorry. This is not working out. This is just salt. This will work out a lot smoother. Clean area. Some salt. Okay. That did not work out. Golly. I'm making such a mess. I think I should stop, but no. The more you know, the farther you go. So, I'm just going to do it without knowing. I'm not going to put tagine in that. Well, like and subscribe. Well, I'm not ending the video, but like and subscribe if you've ever had tagine before. Here, I'm going to show you in just a second. Just put a lot of pepper in that. Make it spicy. Well, pepper's not really spicy, but still. You know what I mean. Like that. Okay. What is going on, bro? I'm not even doing that much. Let's take it next level. Bowl. Out. Okay. Get that. Hold up. Sorry. I'll get back. Okay, I got enough. Skip if you want to see. Oh, look at that. Look how it's just clear. Okay, watch this, guys. Okay. A little more powder. It's like a mountain, okay? It's like a mountain. I think that's too much powder. We'll just mix that up. No one will know. Shh. Don't tell anyone, okay? I'm sick and tired of that happening. Sea salt. Okay. This is not working now. This is the first time I've ever done mushrooms. In my old account, I actually did bird rest. Okay. First one. Hold up. First, let's go over here to turn it on. There we go. Let it start boiling. We put that in there, and then we start boiling it, and then it'll start popping. Don't you just like dip it in there or something? Oh wait, get it, yeah. Put it like that. Yeah. Get gloves if you don't. Get gloves if you don't want your hands getting dirty. I mean, they're not dirty, but like cloudy. Giggle fries. Chicken stars. I love chicken stars. Wait. I eat chicken stars. I. Is that done yet? Let's go. Check on it. So this is how you see if it's ready. Put it on there. If it starts bubbling, that means it's ready. Put it higher. Okay, it's not working. Hold on. It is not working. Now look at all those. Just imagine having this. Guys, I'm going to tell you, when you first find these in the forest, they will smell like catfish. I promise you. Like, no lies. No, literally no lies. It will smell like catfish. ASCT. Like, it will smell like catfish, but if you just literally clean it a little bit, it won't smell that much like catfish. Ah, crap, I missed a spot. Let's go see if it's ready. I don't know if it's ready or not. Done. Next one. Well, I'm gonna do a tiny one, and when I mean tiny, when I mean it. Hold up. Well, this should be tiny enough. So what you do is just like that. Ugh, don't know. Yeah, that should be done. Now all we gotta do now is keep on doing the mushrooms. Make sure to get the right mushrooms and identify them if you have a phone. It will not work out if you don't have a phone. Don't ever eat random mushrooms without identifying them. And look up if they're edible or not. And I need a bigger plate. Okay, that's a lot. Jeez. Jeez, a little weak. I'll wash my hands. This, spit in there, and upside down. If you like cooking, like and subscribe. And if you like hunting, like and subscribe. I mean, if you don't want to, that's fine. I'm just trying to get some subscribers. Mango mustard. Woo! That was close. I almost just dumped all of that on the freaking counter. Man, if my mom walked in and seen that I did that, my butt would be wet. Yeah, it's ready. Golly. Yeah, I might just wear gloves. Okay, yeah, I'm wearing gloves. I don't care. Oh, no! I can't find any gloves. Okay, we gotta do this fast because it's boiling hot in that thing. Perfect. It's like a sun. Bro, that's a perfect resemblance. Oh, look at those gills on that thing. It's beautiful. Seasick crocodile. Guys, you better be watching Grinch right now. Because if you ain't, it's not Christmas. No, well, it's close to Christmas. Seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Here, greasy black peel. Yeah. Oh, I'm still making the video, Dad. Hold up. Start putting them in there. Look at this. I might make a part 2 because my dad's got to use his phone. Oh, ew. Hair in there. Oh my God. Yeah. Woo! Okay, guys. About to dump them in. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Dude, that's so cool. Okay, guys, like and subscribe for part 2.